Don't dig it. No, no. Don't dig. Don't dig the grass. Good morning from Lamar, Colorado. Good morning. On the road down to Springfield, Colorado. I was unable to upload today's video at the library because the library did not have wireless internet. Nora has forsaken her seat for the back. I think she now rides in the back. I don't know why. Probably more comfortable back there, huh? So I'm lonely up here in the front seat, no buddy anymore. Lots of churches starting to show up. I must be getting close to Oklahoma. But let's see. Yeah, things are real exciting. It's just a long, straight, flat drive. No rivers, no mountains, no scary hills to get stuck on in the Jeep. Just long, flat stretches. Adjust, camera. Of nothing. Nothing. That's alright. Keep on trucking. What was that? Gobblers. What are gobblers? Someday soon I'll have my own wind turbine on the sailboats. Juicing up the batteries.
I know you're looking at the computer stuff, but nothing there?
There's a couple of things, unfortunately, I've read almost all of them.
I'm sure you have.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Not even a hick town, it's just old. Like stepping back in time, that's what you call it. Different way of life. That's the community building right there. The library, the museum. It's nuts. And not gonna stay, man. It's a scary little town. It's so old and so time-lapsed or backwards in time. The one internet connection I could find was at the library, and it was gonna take 5 hours to upload the video. Usually it takes 15 minutes. Boise City's only 48 miles down the road, so might as well go to Boise. I wouldn't mind stopping somewhere and camping along the way, but I gotta get today's video uploaded. Video a day. I get the feeling that it might be a while before I see a 21st century city again. I don't know what this is absolutely dead. These cities are nuts. There ain't nothing out here. Man, I like old buildings, right? You found that out when I was in Eagle, but this is just like, forgotten about. I bet you people like it though, living in a town that's been forgotten. There is nothing around here. I don't know why there's even people here. It's making me crazy. Can't find the library to save my life. It's probably somewhere, I don't know. Oklahoma. There is nothing here. There must be some underground city that all these people are going to, because I don't know why there's people around here. It's just barren. We had to stop and cool off. Still searching for internet connection out in the middle of no man's land, Oklahoma. It's nuts out here, man. There's nothing. I'm surprised I find a Dairy Queen. Ice cream's good. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna like Oklahoma very much. So far it sucks. What a childish thing to say, right? That something sucks, but it sucks here. I can't find internet. There's no shade. It's absolutely desolate. Everything's dead. It's like another world. I walked through Wal-Mart to get some ice and cereal with Nora. Dude, everybody was watching me. Like, there's plenty of people smiling, they're friendly, but everybody's watching me like, where in the world is that kid from? I don't know why. I didn't think I stand out that much. I think it was the dog in the grocery store. That probably just doesn't happen around here. The lady at the register asked me, is that one of them helper dogs? So yeah, it's one of them helper dogs. The guy I sat next to was dating the bartender. He was sitting with his buddy, and his buddy was the bartender's son. And then there were like two Indian lesbian women behind me. A really old drunk at the bar who damn near took my table out on his way out. And they do shots every time Denver scored, and they had like this Tupperware squirt bottle and the little like cough syrup cups. And they'd put your shot, it looked like cough syrup, into the cough syrup cup, and everybody'd take a shot and holler for Denver. And then at halftime they had a turkey and mash. That was their dinner. Because I went there looking for some food, so I stuck around, and it was free. Never eat free bar food. It's, oh my goodness, am I paying for it today? Oh. Somewhere in Oklahoma, the wind is blowing hard. I felt like shit today. Nora said I look like shit today. Hopefully, if nobody knocks on our door tonight, things will be back to good tomorrow.